Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to use Type to Siri on the latest iOS 18 update. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 3.1 or newer. To check, open the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there and go to the software option from there and tap it. If there's an update available, so install it. Once your phone is updated, open Control Center to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. This opens the edit mode or add control option. Add the type Siri to control there, and you can add by searching like type Siri, and here's the option, and you get successfully added it. Then use type Siri icon will be in your control center. For this, for use type to Siri, open the control center again and tap the icon here. Now instead of saying hey Siri, you can simply type your request. This is specifically useful if you prefer typing over speaking or if you are in a quick place. Plus, it works great with Apple Intelligence for quick and easy response. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.